MTN Group anan na masre kwa kakra na makasa the frame Ebenezer Chuma Santi many MTN Group Senior Vice President for Market na Opemsuo the friend Stephen Blue and then say MTN Ghana CEO and Adrio Yafe and also a executive responsible for corporate affairs and sustainability and Adrio Obey no a commercial manager me and also or your commercial senior commercial manager or Kumasi any emotion for coming home if we MTN then say if ye be nuni and meba Rebecca China na said ya yimi every high and me call MTN Group na mbani hu nipa we see manai na e friend no salon adade salon so ebe ye na adwuma na mreso ye ono so ye no call South Africa nipa be see salon manai ono ne Stephen tina eyefe se be di Stephen anim na be na ba na be na be chana na tina ba that's it.
I'm very happy to be here with His Majesty. This is a great honor for me. As we know in traditions in Africa, you don't come to a country without greeting of the king. It's part of our culture. I'm very happy to be here. I want us to continue the relationship that exists between the Majesty and the Kingdom and the people and MTN. We have a long relationship. We keep that relationship close to our heart. It's important for us, and we want to continue building on that relationship. I look forward to spending time and learning more and gaining more knowledge about Ghana, because that's part of the Ashanti Kingdom, about giving back to a country. And we believe that's important as MTN. So I thank His Majesty for welcoming me and for allowing me to meet him today. Thank you very much.
You see, the agenda for myself, the no call, not Waira.
Zo.
And the work of the last Bob.
Zo.
Yes, we have been there. You may never come with them. Oman, I heard more. Yeah, what called the jam, you heard me have a room that come.
Zo.
But Stephen, welcome today. I know MTN must have made the right choice to bring him. I know you very well. You've been working with them for some time, and you've had experience in Benin, being given the best CEO of the year, and then growing MTN to that point. So I expect you to continue with what you've done in Benin and others, so that MTN will still continue to be a major player in the industry in terms of creating employment and then building on technology and then helping education and everything. Because now it's about technology. The whole Ghana, virtually about 70-80% depends on MTN for communication and everything. So we believe strongly they've built a good foundation for me, and I have every confidence in the future. I saw him today, and I was so elated because I know him. MTN has revolved around them when they were here. For you to come to continue from where they've left, and I know he trained other Salom also to be there. For you to be brought in, I'm sure the decision was made because you can build on what they've done. So one expects you to continue to enhance the quality and everything of MTN. And then, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't see any much competition now. But I would have loved for competition to come for you, to challenge you to see whether you can do it. But I hope during your stay, but the people sitting here are mine, and therefore I expect that they will be looked after properly under your leadership. I expect the training and technology transfer to be given to them, so that we can also grow them up to be able to be experienced in what they do in the company. If we're able to enhance their abilities and training and everything, it goes to the benefit of MTN. and therefore I will demand that you also look after them, as they were doing. For you to take over at this time, I believe strongly that your experience in Africa means that your relationship with my people here would also be inure to the benefit of all of us. So I welcome you, and I look forward to continuing the relationship that I built with these people through you, and then also looking and designing training programs that would also enhance them to be able to put in their best to develop the company for us.
So,
I'm sure there's not going to be the last one. You'll be coming and coming. And if you don't come, I'll ask him to.
John.
Unless you are free to. My daughter here for Opemsuo will also be there to bring you to come. But MTN is, man, she has a very good friend. And the sponsorship, I think you have to look at it.
Yes.
Which ones are you not doing now? Because you were doing some sponsorships also.
We used to do the golf.
Yes.
And then also Asantehene, but
Yes.
I'm yet to check the status of where we are. Yeah.
So
So
maybe
we'll look at it.
Please look at it again. Yes. Look at those two for me again, yes. And then especially Kotoko.
Yes.
So please look at it for me. And then we can then build, the family could then grow again with that. But I thank you for coming.
Thank you. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.